Hey guys, I am at Rayleigh's. I'm gonna grab the stuff we need for the top 8 allergen-free cookie bark. It's super simple and way delicious. P.S. There's an Enjoy Life coupon right now on their website for $2 off, so I'm gonna get this stuff at a discount. So I'm here in the gluten-free aisle because we can't make cookie bark without cookies. I am going to use the crunchy cookies because that's what we need for cookie bark, is the official reason. So these guys stock all of the Enjoy Life chips. I love them all, of course, but we're doing melting today, so I'm going to do the mini chips because that's just easier. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make this top 8 allergen-free cookie bark. So first you're gonna get a 9x9. You're gonna line it with foil. You also could use parchment if you want, but it has to be something that can go in the oven. So, you know, not wax paper. Wax paper and parchment paper are not the same thing. I don't know how many times I have to tell people that, but it's pretty often. And it doesn't have to be perfect, of course, but just pretty well lined. So now we're gonna do the cookie layer. I am using the Enjoy Life double chocolate cookies. You could use another flavor if you want, whatever works for you. So we're gonna pack 9 in here square-wise. Don't worry if they crack or break, it's not a big deal. Then the 10th cookie, we're gonna break up to just kind of fill the holes. Cool. So we're gonna make the toffee part of our cookie bark. This is my favorite vegan butter replacement. You use yours. We're gonna let that melt a little bit. So to that vegan margarine, we are gonna add, or butter replacement, we're gonna add, I thought we were gonna add, there we go, 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar. We're gonna kind of let this melt together. Then we're gonna whisk it and we're gonna cook it for 3 minutes until it becomes toffee. Okay, so while this toffee business is crazy hot, you're gonna pour it over the cookies, get all of it in there. And then use a heat-safe spatula, of course, to smooth it over the cookies. That's pretty good. Then this whole situation goes in the oven for 5 to 6 minutes till it's bubbly at 400 degrees. Okay, so you can see our toffee has set. It's bubbled a little bit and it's nice and glossy. That's what we want. We're gonna shake on the chocolate chips now and let them melt over the toffee part. So these chips look pretty melted. I'm just gonna take the back of my spatula and smooth them so we get a smooth, glossy top to our cookie bark. Might have to make a couple of passes to smooth them all out. You want to make sure you cover the toffee. Once that's done, you want to take about maybe a little more than a teaspoon of a really flaky sea salt and just sprinkle it over the top, which will give us some nice flavor and some nice crunch. Then this goes in the freezer or the fridge to set up till it's fully chilled. Okay, it's firmed up, so you're just gonna kind of cut it into pieces of your desired size. Look at that goodness. That one's for me. Look at that goodness.